easy to remember password generator, it generates passwords. It can generate random passwords, passwords that are relevant to the user, and it can also evaluate passwords, their strength specifically. Let's start. Prompts the user for some action, generate a random password, generate a relevant password, or evaluate a password. So first, let's generate a random password. Ask for the length, and here we have our generated password. Now, if we again try to generate a relevant password, we will press D, and it gives us some instructions: favorite name, any special number, word that holds a secret, or any other word that we want to add to the password. So let's type in a favorite name, and we can also type in a favorite number. And when we are done, don't want to add more, press E. Your password is this. As you can see, the password is quite cryptic, but it's easy to remember for me as a user. The and part in any word is replaced with the and symbol, A's are replaced with at, and words are randomly capitalized. The S's are also replaced with a dollar sign. And we can also evaluate a password, K, and then enter a random password. The password is weak as we have only letters here. Now let's try giving a more strong password. The given password is strong. This was my whole project. Thanks for watching.